center and call for help. Good work. I couldn't have gotten here without you. Let's go.
Sucks that I had to leave Twitten behind, but oh well. Guess I'll just have to carry on without her.
Reminder to all Black Mesa staff, a new subway store has been opened in the Level 3 dormitories cafeteria. America's favorite sub shop now comes with Big Tony's Pizza and delicious Sprite. Subway, eat fresh.
Oh sick, that isn't that far from where we are now. Maybe once we contact the military we can head to Subway.
Now that we've made it to the surface, we can get help. If we're quick enough, the people below may have a chance. Behind this fence is a satellite communication center we can use to communicate with military personnel outside of Black Mesa. The military has the best chance at being able to secure the facility, and they'll be able to escort us to safety. Let's go. Medic! You need to make your way through the warehouse. I'll wait, but please hurry.